Morning ladies and gentlemen, Vape Crusader here with another little chat about electronic cigarettes. Today though I'm going to be looking at whether or not smoking tobacco is safe. Now I've already done a video, you may have seen it, asking whether vaping is safe, and basically just sort of saying that, well, you know, compared to what? Certainly vaping is not as safe perhaps as breathing pure fresh mountain air from the Austrian Alps. On the other hand, many orders of magnitude safer than smoking. I would say pretty straightforward. Now this, by the way, is vaping. This thing is not a light. That's because it's not actually a cigar. The stuff coming out of it doesn't smell. That's because it's not smoke. Now, just because this looks like smoking doesn't make it smoking. I mean, a domestic cat is very similar to, say, a tiger. But a tiger's just a whole lot bigger and a whole lot more dangerous, isn't it, really? And just because they bear some kind of resemblance doesn't actually make them the same thing or make one anything like as dangerous as the other. Okay, that, I hope, is reasonably straightforward. On to smoking and whether or not it's safe. Well, let's see. In order to decide this, I think what we have to do is to look at something else that's dangerous. Now, what I decided to do is have a look at the atom bomb. So, at the end of the Second World War, as we all know, 2 atom bombs were dropped on Nagasaki and Hiroshima. Now, the most liberal estimates I've been able to find on the internet indicate that about 250,000 people died as a result of those 2 atom bomb attacks. Now, another very brief bit of research indicates to me that something like 443,000 deaths happen prematurely every year as a result of smoking-related illnesses in one country, America. Just one country every year. Obviously, the atom bomb things, that wasn't very good. But, you know, it's 250,000 people died once. This is 443,000 people dying in one country every year. I've no idea what the whole world figures would look like, but presumably not good. So, is vaping safe? Relative to smoking, certainly. Is smoking tobacco safe? Well, relative to atom bombs, certainly not. How hard is this?